Good morning. Today we are drawing angles with degree measures. We begin by drawing a circle, and our initial side of the angle will always remain constant, and it will be located on the positive x-axis. That will be our 0 point. Now we have two types of angles. We can either go in a positive direction, which will rotate around this circle in a counterclockwise rotation. We also have negative angles, which will rotate around the circle in a clockwise rotation. Our initial side always starts at 0. Our terminal side, we will then rotate it around to where we will have a certain angle. We know that if we go all the way around a circle, we have gone 360 degrees. This means halfway around the circle is 180 degrees. A fourth of the way around is 90 degrees. If you go all the way around down to the bottom, you have traveled 270 degrees. Now, let's do some examples. Let's say that we want to draw a 210 degree angle. We begin by drawing a circle with our x and y axis. Darken in the first side, which starts at 0. 210 degrees goes 30 degrees past the 180 mark. So we would draw our terminal side 30 degrees further than 180. It is crucial then that you show the angle by putting in the arc. That's the way we have from 0 to 210 degrees. Let's take a look at a negative angle. What would a negative 300 degree angle look like? We start at 0 degrees, so we put in our initial side. Negative 300 means we are going to begin going around this direction. Since we are traveling around 300 degrees, that would just be 60 degrees short of a full revolution. To show this angle, we start here and travel around in that direction. Let's do a couple more examples. Let's do an angle of 472 degrees. So we start with our circle. We have our initial side. We can see that 472 is bigger than 360. So let's subtract 360 degrees, one full revolution. When we subtract that, we get 112 degrees. So we need to go all the way around the full circle in a positive direction, one full revolution, and then 112 more degrees. So here would be about 112 degrees. To demonstrate this, notice our arc shows going all the way around one full time and then stopping on that second revolution. That's the way you draw a 472 degree angle. Let's do one more example, 575 degree angle. So we have our circle. Our initial side is marked. We now need to take 575. Let's subtract 360. That would give us a 215 degree angle. Now we're going in a negative direction, so we're traveling around this way. We have to go one full revolution all the way around the circle, and then an additional 215 degrees. So we would end up about here. This would show going around one time, another 215, would put us an angle drawn like this. Okay, that's all we have for today for the drawing angles in degrees.